Business-critical documents live in SAP, but managing them can be complex and require heavy customization. AODocs helps companies control document workflows efficiently and smoothly. Procurement managers can create supplier contracts directly from SAP Fiori using the SAP Certified AODocs app. The file is automatically stored in AODocs and attached to the SAP record. No customization needed. When submitted, AODocs moves the contract from draft to pending approval. The updated status is immediately visible in SAP, keeping everyone in sync. The approving manager gets an email alert and opens the request directly in AODocs. He can review the contract confidently, knowing governance, compliance, and version history are fully managed. Once approved, the contract is validated and ready for operational use in SAP. AODocs ensures traceability, approval history, and compliance are enforced automatically across both systems. With AODocs certified for SAP Cloud ERP, teams can build and evolve document processes with minimal SAP customization, reducing maintenance costs, accelerating execution, and delivering enterprise-grade governance with a simple, efficient user experience. The AODocs SAP connector. To see it in action, get your demo now.